first attempt as Nritya Tarang 2024. Warm welcome greetings to all. I would like to call Mr. Sudhakar and Mr. Natesh on the dais, please. Dance and Natraj represent the merging of religion, art, and science. So get ready for all the delight and excitement, everyone, because today we are going to eye on some amazing sights and great dance performances. दीप प्रज्वलन करूया आपण.